Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be checking out the asset again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the strategy or the analysis. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend, played around there for a while, and of course broke out around there, and of course it kept on buying. Okay, so it got to this region, it was unable to go above the resistance, so it started selling. Okay, so and it is still selling at the moment, but we needed to break out below this particular support zone. Okay, once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very important. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend and kept on selling and selling, and it has gotten to this region. It's unable to break out below this, so it's going back on buy trend right now, but we needed to break out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. So for now, this is giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend. You can see it kept on buying and buying. You can see the pullbacks, they were happening, okay, which signifies down the uptrend movement. Okay, it broke out above this resistance zone to get to this particular resistance zone, and this is selling at the moment, but we want it to break out below this particular support zone. Once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, and it is just starting. Okay, and the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 has been on downtrend for long, and of course around there it played around for a while before breaking out below the support zone around here. It broke out below the support zone around here, and of course it's heading towards the next support zone. If it breaks out below that, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be V75. This is V75. That's volatility 75, actually went on uptrend, and of course got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so right from there it started selling. It started selling right from there, and it sold till it got to this support zone, and it has not been able to break out below the support zone, so it has been playing around. So if it's unable to break out below the support zone and it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it will keep on buying. But if it breaks out below the support zone, it will continue with the sell trend, so you should take note of that. So for now, wait for the breakouts. So this is very important. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the our analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.